गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, अस्सलामु अलैकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। कैसे हैं आप सब? हाउ आर यू ऑल? होप आप लोग सब अच्छे होंगे। कल से हमने टेंसेस स्टार्ट किए हैं। सो yesterday was the first lecture. Today I'm going to give you the second lecture about tenses. Lecture number 2. What we taught yesterday, I taught you. कल मैंने आपको क्या बताया था कि there are 3 forms of tenses and tenses denote time. 3 forms of tenses: present, past and future. Then further classified into 4 parts: present indefinite, present continuous, present perfect continuous. ऐसे ही past indefinite, past continuous, past perfect continuous, इसी तरह से future का. Now today we are shifting to our second lecture, right? Before learning how to make sentences, we should know what is a sentence. एक चीज़ होती है sentence. Sentence क्या होता है? देखिए, 2 चीज़ें हमें इसमें सीखने की ज़रूरत है. We need to know 2 things. One is sentence, one is structure. Sentence, structure. These are the 2 different things. One is sentence, another is your structure. What is sentence and what is structure? We will find it out. First we will take sentence. Sentence. What is sentence? A group of words. A group of words. Right? बहुत सारे वर्ड्स का ग्रुप इज़ नोन एज सेंटेंस. सेंटेंस क्या होता है? बहुत सारे ग्रुप्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स का ग्रुप जो बनता है वो सेंटेंस है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एम राइटिंग I told you कि group of sentences. This is a group of words. These are the group of words. These are the words in a group. Is this a sentence? No, this is not a sentence. What should be a sentence? I am writing. I am writing. This is a sentence. So what is the difference? What is the difference? I have written group of words here also and here. Words are the same. I is here, am is here, writing is here. But what is the difference? The difference is a group of words with meaning. A group of words with meaning is known as sentence. These are also a group of words, but there is no meaning in this sentence. This is a group of words, but it has a particular meaning. So this is known as sentence. Now, there are 5 types of sentences. Sentences have different types. There are 5 types of sentences. Alright. Number 1 is your positive sentence. Positive sentence. Positive, or you can say simple sentence. You can call it positive sentence also. You can call it simple sentence also. Number 1. Number 2 is your negative sentence. Negative sentence. All right. Number 3 is your interrogative. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. All right. Number 4 is your interrogative plus negative sentence or and negative sentence. And 5th one is your exclamatory sentence. All right. So far we learned sentence. What is a sentence? A group of words with meaning. 5 types of sentences. Positive sentence. These are the sentences which we use while we are talking. जब हम बात करते हैं तो हम इन्हीं sentences को use करते हैं, right? This is negative sentence. This is interrogative, which means question mark. Interrogative plus negative means question mark plus negative, both combined. Exclamatory is the with sign of exclamation. For example, I'll give the example of exclamatory sentences. For example, we say hurrah or hooray and we put sign of exclamation, right? What is the meaning of hooray? There is no particular meaning of hooray. Exclamatory sentences are, for example, alas, wow, right? These show the expressions. Exclamatory sentences show expressions. It expresses. For example, you say hurrah, we won the match. What is the meaning of hurrah? Nothing. It's just an expression that yes, you are happy and you have won the match. Alas, he is dead. Alas is not any, there is no meaning of alas, but he is dead is like you are feeling very sad. Or wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful is means sundar, but what is wow? Wow is nothing. So exclamatory sentences are used to show the expressions. So we don't use this much in speaking. Exclamatory sentences are not much used in speaking. So there are only 4 sentences which are used in writing and speaking. Those are positive or simple sentence, negative sentence, interrogative or and negative sentence. Alright, this is about the sentence. Now, I had told you earlier there are 2 things, sentence and structure. We came to know about the sentence. Now we will come to know about the structure. What is a structure? Structure means basically a format or a blueprint of anything, right? Either it is a format or a blueprint of anything, you can say. For example, when we make a building, whenever we have to make a building, first we develop the structure. We don't directly go with the lightings, we don't directly go with the decors, we don't directly go with the interiors. First of all, we have to make a structure of that building and then we can proceed up with the further things. So to build a sentence, we should be aware of its structure, right? Now, before moving to the how to form structures, we will form the structures of the sentences. Like we have positive sentence, we have negative sentence, interrogative plus negative sentence. We will form their structures because we have to talk or we have to write like this in these sentences only. So we will know how their structure is. Before that, I want you guys to know few things, like what is an object? Anything tangible. Tangible means which can be touched, which can be touched, or you can say non-living things. For example, notebook, pen, phone, table, fan, bed, etc. So on. These are known as objects, right? Now another thing is subject. What is a subject? Subjects mean about whom you are talking to. About whom you are talking to. Subject means about whom we are talking. For example, I am talking about myself. We, you, they, he, she, name, and it. Alright, these are the total subjects that are used in making sentences. There will be no other subject rather than this. When we make a sentence, these are the only subjects we are using while we are making sentences. Now, what is it? You know, I means मैं, we means हम, you means तुम, they means बहुत सारे, they वो लोग, he means for a particular female, for a particular female she, वो जो दूर हो, name anybody's name. It, what is it used for now? It is used for infants. All right, insects, animals, birds, etc. Who are infants? Infants are the babies from 0 to 5 months. These are known as infants. All right. Now, today we learned about sentence structure, like what is a sentence and how many types of sentences are there. What is a structure? It is a format or a blueprint, and I have told you a few things about object, subject, and a subject may what we use it and what is it used for. Now there is one more thing which is known as helping verb, and in short it is written as HV. What is helping verb? Helping verb is the, what is a verb basically? What is verb? First of all, we must know what is verb. Verb is any action or activity. Verb is any action or activity. कोई भी काम, कोई भी हरकत, whatever we do is known as verb. So what is helping verb? Helping verb is a verb which helps a sentence to complete its meaning or its sense. For example, we eating mangoes. We is a subject. Eating is a verb. Mangoes is an object. We are eating mangoes. It's an object. It's a thing. It's a tangible that we can, and a non-living thing that we can hold in our hands. But is the sentence complete? Is the meaning of a sentence complete? We eating mangoes? No, it's incomplete. So we will add helping verb here. Helping verb is always used before verb. So we are. Are is your helping verb, which is helping your verb to complete its sense. We are eating mangoes. We are eating mangoes. So I told you what is an object, what is a subject, what is helping verb, what is verb, and we have made one sentence. We are eating verbs. Now in tomorrow's lecture I will be telling you how to make sentences properly using these things. Thank you so much. If anybody has any problem, you can comment me, or if you want to learn, I can give you the classes on Zoom also. Kindly contact me, give me the you can comment on my this channel and do subscribe. Thank you so much.